You have no time to get your nails done. Take it from me. This is quick and easy, and it looks amazing.
You should buy that thing. That thing that you want, you should buy it. You want it, buy it. You need it, buy it. You desire it, buy it. You already have one? Buy another. Already have 5? What's one more? Buy it, darling. And while you're at it, buy me one too.
Seriously, these are the easiest things to do. You just stick it on your nail bed. You can see my nail right there. You pinch it together like this after it's on tight. This is how I do mine. And then you hold it down. And all you do is take this, and you have to be straight. You can't go this way. I've seen a lot of people go this way and they mess up the nail. You have to be straight. And you're just gonna run it along the edges like this. And it's gonna cut it. And then you're just gonna pull it right off. And I'm gonna show you how amazing my nail looks. Look. Just make sure you get all the edges. And well, bam, look at that. Push it down. And make sure that you push your edges down really good. And look at that. Look how amazing my nails look, right? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Looks like I got a fresh manicure. If you're like me that you want your toes to match your nails, don't go buy the pedicure ones. Just take the biggest ones that they have, which they have this one and the larger size, and turn it sideways on your nail. Let me show you your toenails. I'm actually kind of embarrassed to show you guys my toe. Yes, I haven't got a pedicure in a long while, but you can see that you can take this, measure it, and then just cut it. And it will be the perfect size. Before and after. So as you can see, I have my nails and my toes matching. This, honest to God, will last up to 3 weeks on me. If you buy their polish that they have that you put on first and then put this on top, it actually lasts longer. But no joke, 3 weeks, and it looks like I went and got my nails professionally done.